Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a purchase order in ERP step. So first, I'm on the purchase order list view. This is the main dashboard where all your purchase orders are available. Instead of manually searching through all the records, ERP provides a very useful filter option and create a new purchase order. Click on the new button and this will open the purchase order form. First, we select the supplier. This step is very important. Next, we verify the transaction date. By default, it shows today's date, but you can always change it based on your requirement. Then we set the schedule date, which indicates when we expect to receive the items from the supplier. Now let's move to the item section. This is where we add the products or materials that we want to purchase. Click on Add Row, then select the item. For this example, I'm adding 2 items. After selecting each item, I'll enter the quantity and the rate. As soon as I input these values, ERP automatically calculates the amount for each item. You can also see that item details like unit of measure and description are filled automatically based on the item master. If needed, you can apply a discount at the item level. As we continue, ERP calculates everything in the background. It calculates the total amount, applies taxes if configured, and finally shows the grand total. This reduces manual work and helps avoid calculation errors. Once everything is entered and verified, the next step is to save the document. So I click on Save. After saving, if all the details are correct, we proceed by clicking on Submit. Submitting the purchase order confirms it and makes it an official and finalized record in the system. After submission, the status of the document changes, indicating that the order is now active. Now that the order is submitted, we can also view the print format. Just click on the print option and you'll see a clean and structured document format of the purchase order. Thank you for watching.